Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the YouTube thumbnail issue when it's bigger than 2 MB so you can actually upload it without any problems. So first, simply check the size of your thumbnail file. So YouTube only allows images that are under 2 MB, so they also have to be in JPG, PNG, GIF or BMP format, and the resolution also has to be around 1280 by 720 if possible. So if your file is too large, you can simply open it in an image editor like Photoshop, Paint or Canva. From here, you can then reduce the resolution or even compress the image. So you can also use online tools like TinyPNG or compress GPEG. So these also work well to shrink the file size without losing much quality. So once your thumbnail is under 2 MB, you can then try uploading it again in the YouTube Studio editor for your video. And after these steps, your thumbnail should upload successfully without any errors. And that's it. So that's how to reduce an image size really easily. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.